Let's try looking up a few more addresses to see if this makes sense. For example, if we look for lab1.1eng.utah.edu, that is a machine in the College of Engineering's lab, and it apparently has address 155.98. Makes sense, it's on campus. 111.50, and if we look at another machine close by, say 2 or even 10 here, it turns out that lab 1-10 is the same except 59 instead of 50. So that all makes sense. Those machines are sitting in the same room, and not coincidentally, they have very similar numbers. If we try to look much further afield, we might look at, say, where is Apple's web server? Here we get Apple, www.apple.com is mapped to some other things that eventually end up in Akamai's network. So this is a sign that we shouldn't try to think of 23 as Apple. Apple has outsourced their web page serving to Akamai, and that's something at Akamai's network. How can I search for something that I expect to be more physically at Apple? Let's try asking for not a web server, but the mail exchanger, because I just have a sense that maybe they handle their own email. And if I look there, I find that I get addresses like this. It can be mapped to any of these names, so let's just pick one of those and do another query. And we find out that that mail server machine has an address that starts 17. Keep in mind that number 17 as we look at our next picture.